Welcome to Distribution International's How to Use the Quick Order Pad on CustomerConnect. For CustomerConnect users who are visiting the site to place an order and know the part numbers, we have enabled a new feature called Quick Order. This feature can be found on the blue dashboard menu. There are 3 ways to utilize the Quick Order feature to add products to your shopping cart. The first is via speed entry. With this feature, you can enter DI part numbers, manufacturer part numbers, your part numbers if they have been loaded on the site, or any keyword to add items to the list. Quantities can then be entered as a whole number. Once your list is complete, simply click the Add to Cart button. The second quick order method is copy-paste. In this feature, you can copy and paste the part number from any electronic document and paste it into the box, followed by a comma and the quantity. Again, all that is required after that is to click the Add to Cart button. Finally, we have provided a method to upload a spreadsheet containing the part number and the quantities. Simply click Choose File and select the Excel file, and then click the Upload button. After you have entered the information using any of these methods, you will want to indicate how you want these items handled if the part number is already present in your shopping cart, either to combine the quantities, separate them and make 2 entries in the cart, or remove the products from the list if they have already been added to your shopping cart. In all 3 methods, the system will let you know which items were added to your cart, which items will need to be quoted, and any items that resulted in multiple selections or could not be added to your cart. For more information on the features and functionality found on CustomerConnect, please visit the other videos offered in our Help Center.